Perfect results start long before vinyl or paint ever touches a surface, and proper preparation is what separates a clean installation from costly rework. This professional pre-cleaner is designed to deliver fast, easy, and reliable surface preparation for vinyl graphics, wraps, paint, and film applications. From the first spray, it begins breaking down wax, grease, oil, and silicone residues that commonly cause adhesion failures, bubbles, and lifting. Developed with safety and performance in mind, this formula is non-hazardous and non-flammable, making it a smarter choice for modern work environments. It eliminates the need for harsh, dangerous solvents while still delivering powerful cleaning action. By safely removing surface contaminants, it helps create the ideal foundation for strong, consistent adhesion and a smooth, professional finish. This pre-cleaner is suitable for a wide range of materials, including automotive paint, bare metals, sign materials, and glass. Its universal fit and versatile use make it an essential tool for installers, detailers, and professionals who demand consistent outcomes. A small amount goes a long way, allowing one bottle to last through many projects while maintaining dependable performance. Application is straightforward and efficient. Spray the product liberally onto the surface, then wipe thoroughly using a plain white paper towel, working from the center outward until dry. Repeating the wipe ensures contaminants are fully lifted away. For best results, the surface should then be cleaned again with a compatible final cleaner to remove any remaining residue and ensure optimal bonding conditions. Formulated by professionals with hands-on experience, this cleaner addresses one of the most common causes of installation failure while promoting a safer workflow. If you want better adhesion, fewer bubbles, and cleaner results on every vinyl or paint job, check the product link in the video description to learn more and purchase. Subscribe to the channel for more professional tools, prep tips, and product recommendations that help you work smarter and achieve better results.